All right.
Okay.
Dominique Liebka represents CSO of Syvento BioTech. 10 minutes starts right now, and the rest is up to you, Dominique. But let us welcome Dominique with applause as per our tradition, please.
Good morning, everyone. I have only 10 minutes, so I try to be fast. And today I would like to tell you a little bit about Syvento. As a CDMO company and your partner for mRNA and lipids, nanocarriers, formulation development and manufacturing. Basically, Syvento was founded in 2015 as a part of Synthos Group. And in 2021, we were divided from Synthos and become independent company. From the beginning, we work with the lipid-based nanoformulation. In 2021, we also decided to start working with mRNA synthesis. In 2023, we moved to our new facility, in which we can produce both drug substance based on mRNA and drug product also based on mRNA and lipid-based nanoparticles. Basically, in Syvento, we work in 4 platforms. First is related, it's called genetic platform. It's related with production and synthesis of mRNA based on IVT reaction. Second platform is called delivery platform, and this is a platform in which we develop liposomal and LNP formulation. Third platform is manufacturing platform related with GMP production, and fourth platform is drug development expertise platform in which we can support our partners in all stages of their development of drug products. For the genetic platform, as I mentioned before, we can synthesize mRNA with very robust and efficient way. We can produce up to 4 grams of mRNA per one batch with the very high purity above 90%. And what is very important, we can produce for research stages, but also for the clinical phases. If you want to have drug substance as a mRNA, you can come to us and we can produce it for you. Second platform is delivery platform, and in this platform we support our partners from also very different stages of their preclinical development of product, and we can develop different type of nanoformulation based on lipid for different type of payloads, starting from mRNA, siRNA, but also for small molecules, DNA, and for different type of application, and we can support our partners, our customers in very early stages when they can come to us and they can ask us, okay, we want to develop formulation that, for example, we want to accumulate in the spleen. We can support our partners in that kind of field, going to the early preclinical, late preclinical phases, and ending on the clinical development. What is also, I think, very important and worth to mention, we've got our own library of ionizable lipids that can be used for the development nucleic-based therapeutics, which I believe we can also propose our partner the best license condition on the market for that kind of lipids that is all over the world. Third platform, manufacturing platform, and this is very important because all the stuff that you develop in our company you can produce in GMP standard for the clinical trials. So we can produce drug substance, we can produce drug product, then do the fill and finish and deliver the vials to the clinics. We've got more than 500 square meters of sterile production zone in GMP standards. As I mentioned, we can scale up the process, so we can come to us with already developed product. You can ask us for process development. We can do this for you. And last, drug development expertise. And this is also very important platform because we can support our partners, for example, in biological study. We have in-house biological lab for in vitro study. We've got partners for in vivo study, so we can support our customer in the whole preclinical development process. But we've got also very nice equipped analytical laboratory in which we can perform whole quality control for the LNP and mRNA-based product. We can do the release of the batch of such a kind of product, and also we can support our partners in the development phases for that kind of product. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope I fit in the time.
Impressive. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We even have time for a little question if you have one. Too shy. It seems our audience is still in the shy stage. So thank you very much once again. And we proceed to the next presentation. Also, thank you for allowing us the space to have a little extra time for lunch.
Thank you.